Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to change the microfilter and the exhaust filter on a SEBO vacuum cleaner. Simply pull the latch on the front of the hoover. That will come off with the bag intact. There you can see the filter itself. All you simply do is grab the bottom. It's quite stiff, you have to pull it quite hard, but it should slide out. There it is, simple as that. You've got a little metal catch here which just basically prevents you putting anything down there. Put it back on, just flip the metal catch back up. Bit difficult with one hand, yeah, but here we go. Flip that back up and slide it back into place. Obviously you put a new one in place if that one's dirty. Simply put the front back on. Simple as that. Lock it back down into place. And that's done. That's the microfilter done. Use your exhaust filter, simply lay the hoover flat on its back like so. There you'll see the vents with the gas escapes. Simply locate the catch by here. That comes up easy. There's the filter. That's quite clean, that one, there's no replacing. Simply insert a new one. Put the plastic cover back on. And there you go, that's simple as that.